Hey Lyssa, this is Devin with SEO Dallas Texas. Thanks for watching this video. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. I know you're wondering why I'm making this video, and it's simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hand saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content's everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, it'd be like cleaning services in Austin, stuff like that. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So let's take a look at your website. First off, I love the photos you have here. It looks like this was a WordPress-built website, just by the way it's all built together. Yeah, it definitely does. Nice. WordPress is a really great platform. And looks like you have quite a bit of content, which is also a really great start. Let me see. WordCounter.net. Let's see how much you got. 2,000. So you're killing it already in the content game. Great job. Make sure it's stuff with keywords you want, such as like cleaning services Austin, stuff like that. If you go keyword density times 3. It's not really finding that. Maid Service TX is one it's finding, but make sure you have stuff like cleaning services Austin, stuff like that. I also like to have a video here. Let me see. Also, your images. This counts. Maid Service Austin. There you go. Hey, you're doing it right. Cleaning service Austin. Awesome. Well, I'm glad to see that. You got that right. You've got, this one, these count too. So you can do it for these as well. Look at your main competitors. You got Austin Maid Service right here. These guys don't have nearly as much content as you. I'll show you why they're beating you in a second here. And Maids and Moore, they don't have that much content either. So you're beating them in the content game. You're beating them, and let me see what they got as far as their images. You're beating them in the image game too. So content is king in this industry, but as you can see, it's not the end-all fix-all. My next tip for you is called backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And they look at how many other websites are linking to you, driving traffic to you. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because obviously you're not a pizza company and Google knows this. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so it says that you currently have 65 websites linking to you, and you've been around since beginning of March, which is really good. 224 people going to your website a month is nothing to scoff at. That's definitely a great start. You're ahead of a lot of people. I want to show you what's available for you, though. If you just go after Austin's Maid Service, these guys have only 106 websites linking to them. So you could beat them. You can match them by adding 41 websites, but you really want to dominate them. So I would add like 75 websites to dominate them, and you can just go take the same links that they have. So like if you go look here, they've got maid service, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning, house cleaning. These are all really good links. Let's see if you have what kind of links you have. I should check that first. So stuff like that, you don't have those links. Those are definitely good links that I would add onto your website. And then you could just do that person after person. You can do it with these guys too. Here's the big win though. By only going up and beating these guys with another 60 websites or so, they have 937 traffic. That's like 4 times the amount that you have. So it's really worth making that investment. You can safely add about 10 websites a day. So you can beat these guys in like a week of work. That's my recommendation for you. The last thing I'll talk about is citations. When you type in cleaning services Austin and someone's ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that cleaning company because those are obviously the easiest customers to close. As we know, people don't really typically click these ads anymore. Shoot, this one's misspelled. I just noticed that. This one's even misspelled. But not a good look. Either way, you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. The great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those same directories, then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. You typically have to do maybe an hour or 2 of work per month to continue holding that number 1 spot. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, Lyssa. What I said today was content. You want to get your website up to about, you have great content actually already. You've got 2,000 words. Just make sure that it's stuffed with the keywords you're looking for. The images are saved correctly. Make sure that throughout the content you have that type of stuff stuffed throughout it, like cleaning service loss and stuff like that. Backlinks. This is where you're really going to shine, is go copy your competitors' backlinks. If it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you. And then citations, figure out what directories your competitors are in. List yourself in the same directories and add a bunch more on top. You guys really aren't that far away from dominating. If y'all want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education with no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask is you give me just a sentence or 2 of feedback in response to this email to help me make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to help you out with this, just give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great day. Bye.